Your holsters come in different size, variety of materials and whatnot, whether it be leather, vinyl, Kydex, polycarbon, carbon fibers, hard plastic, etc. You want to make sure you get the right one for what you're doing. The most important thing regarding holster is going to be the trigger guard. Make sure that trigger is protected, especially if you're going to be carrying. That's why I always recommend hard materials, vinyl, a little too soft and flimsy. Leather over time can get worn down, however. You know, there are some hard leathers out there that are appropriate. You have your duty holsters, Kydex. As long as that trigger is covered, you should be okay.